Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope y'all are doing good. Welcome back to the crew. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and get notified. But just to say less, if you're already part of the crew, salute. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at this product right here from Naenka. Now, they did send this out to me, but they did not tell me that I had to say anything. They didn't pay me for this. They just simply said, check out our latest earbuds and tell us what you think. And so these are basically my own opinions, thoughts, ideas, you know what I'm saying? See what this has to offer inside of the box. And I'm gonna see what comes in the Naenka, the best gift. So it does look like this pops the top. Hold on, I really like the color of this box. So let me read you off some of the specs on here. So it does say Bluetooth 5.0, AAC, APTX, ENC, which is environmental noise canceling, 13mm large aperture drivers, and the dual host flash connection. Okay, so we got Type-C for charging. There's another actual box right here with the buds, and this is the white color. We're gonna take that out, and wow, this is crazy. It's got a really small form factor. When I'm holding it in my hand, it almost gives me the same vibes of the Sound Peats, except this one is a lot lighter in the hand. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I have these Naenkas all charged up. Now, I was checking out these on Amazon, and there's some really interesting things about these. They have a light on these which will turn, it'll blink when it's low on battery, it'll turn red, but when it's medium battery, it'll turn blue while it's charging. When it's fully charged, it's actually going to be green, guys. Now, you can see there's like a little ambient light here on the front which tells you all those different things. Now, there's something really crazy about these. They have Bluetooth 5.2 on Amazon. They're really affordable. They're under $80. Crazy. Let's go ahead and pair these. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the case, see if these show up on the, here they go, the Naenka Lite Pros right here on the device, pairing up for the first time. So here they go. I'm gonna hit that button for pairing. Then you're gonna see them start to pair. You're gonna hit the pair button, which will initiate them. You can see the APTX is on these as well. And we do have the Qualcomm 3040 chip along with the CVC 8 version, the 8.0 is what I'm trying to say. So these are automatically connected to my device. What I want to do is show you how these look in my ear and how they fit. And when you take out the left earbud, I'm gonna put that in my ear. You hear a it's like it makes a click sound. Put them all the way up. Sounds really good. I could barely hear my voice right now. So it's really loud. Let me turn that down. So really loud, I could barely hear my voice while I'm talking over them. Now these have environmental noise cancellation. So when you're using the mics, you're gonna hear the technology cancel out the noise around you, which is pretty crazy. Let me switch the song on these. So you just have to long hold it like 3 times and it switches the song. You tap 1 time, it's gonna increase the volume. On this phone, the Redmi phones, they don't show the volume animation, but on the Samsung Galaxy, Moto phones, things like that, any other phone, they usually show the animations. So the left one will decrease the volume as well. I just hit that twice and it went down. Giving it a double tap will actually pause it, so just keep that in mind. Damn, this is crazy. All right, so I just paused it with a double tap, and you can see, guys, these have the gaming mode. So when you're in gaming mode, it's gonna decrease the latency when you're on games for 0.1 seconds, but when it's off, it's gonna be 0.05 seconds. So I mean, when it's on, it's 0.5 seconds, and when when it's off, it's 0.1. So just keep that in mind, that you will have that enhanced visual effect when you're listening and looking. About like these tout 7 hours for listening time. So you can get up to 7 hours, 4 or 5 more charges when you're using the actual case on these. And the case is gonna be pretty good for, you know, saving battery. IP6 on this as well. What I'm gonna do is see if we can get the independent listening through both ears, basically to see if they can listen to music independently. So what I'm gonna do is go right here, we're back into the music option. Wow, that sounds really good, really high quality. I could still listen to the music with one in. I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the other one. But wow, you can hear that turn on automatically, and there's no issues when you switch out the thing, you know what I mean? So these sound really good. I really can't stress that enough. The music turns off when you put the case closed. When you open it, they play again. It's still playing right now at this moment when they're closed in there. So let me see. All right, now it turned off. So it takes about a second or so, but Bluetooth 5.0 technology. I want to test out the mics on these guys. So let me pause the video and let you hear the microphone. All right, guys. So basically the microphones, you get 2 of them. There's 2 mics on each earbud, so 4 altogether. 1 below right there, 1 at the top. So I'm actually talking through the microphones now. That's what you're hearing right now. So what I'm gonna do is test out the sound quality of these microphones, and let me know how the microphones sound while I'm talking right now. I'm gonna throw some outdoor ambient noise on right now while I'm talking so you can hear that. So let me know if this changes the sound while you're listening to me talk. This is pretty much how it would sound if me and you was having a conversation. It's at maximum, and the environmental noise reduction will kick in right now. So basically when I'm speaking, the microphones will allow me to speak and hear my environment a lot easier. Okay guys, just wanted to give you my final thoughts on these for the Naenka True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. Now I've been using these for a little bit. I'm gonna have to do a long-term review because I actually been just using these for around 24 hours. And you know, I kind of got a grasp on these now. They're really good gaming headset for the price of around, you know, 80 bucks, but you're gonna get the latest Bluetooth 5.2 APTX as well as the AAC technology for really high quality sound, guys. ENC for noise cancellation around you for phone calls. So if you're like the type of person who takes a lot of phone calls outdoors, these are gonna be really good because they offer environmental noise cancellation, 13mm large aperture drivers. So when it comes to bass, when it comes to canceling out the noise around you, these earbuds, guys, will have enough bass to cancel out background noises around you. You may not be able to hear voices with these things. I could barely hear my own voice when I had these things in. Glossy finish on all around it. The LED light is actually very nice. I like when it's green, the battery's high, and when it's red, it's really low. So awesome indication on the battery percentage thing there. You can use these in the rain, but just keep in mind you can't really wear them in the shower because it's IPX5. So you could if you wanted to, but I just don't. I can't promise you that though they won't break. Yeah, but guys, I really like these earbuds. These are my own opinions, my own thoughts after using them. I really do like that they offer the QCC3040 Low power dissipation chip, so you can get really good battery life with these as well. Now they have 4 mics altogether, 2 on each earbud. It's not the CV 8.0 earbud, but it is a really good microphone. Let me know how the quality sounds. And you know what I mean, like I said, there's just really good affordable earbud under $100 for this price. So let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll get right back with you later, group. Peace.